啊，那么自己，然后你穿这么亮也不出镜太可惜了。
We are specialized in manufacturing shrink sleeve labeling machine and labeling machine as well. As you can see just now, some of the demo video, because we are specialized in producing this kind of machine. Once the photo passes through the tunnel, through the belt conveyor, and the sleeve will come through the and the heat will shrinking like this kind of product. You can check, and the sleeve is shrinking like this kind of.
站过去，站到边上就好了。
And
颜值
this
担
is
当
the
的。
actual product. Okay. You see many types of bottles. You can see on my hand there are many types of bottles in different shapes, right? Because all of these bottles are shrinking and produced by our bottles. And today our point is I would take you to see our some spare parts of our machines. And like everybody maybe don't know how to run the machine or operate the machine, so we will supply the technical support and like the video on the on-site support. You can check. And actually our machine is very simple and easy to run. And you only just install some spare parts like the manual, like the knife plate, and that's all. You just install and then it can run. You just uh, adjust the machine to make the best condition, right? And so I will show you what is the manuals and what is knife plate. Let's see.
这个是一起。
Different models. You see, and next one I will show you what is the main knife plate. One second. Okay, that's it. This knife plate, knife plate. Thank you. like a small photo and the bigger photos because it's huge difference, right? So we will change the knife blade because it has their diameter range. So we need to change this one. Okay, thank you. Okay, and now I will show you the some demo. You see, let's see the um, now you can see, and this roller stand, the feeding up system, and there are two rows shrink labels on inside there. And now I want to show you our the circuit of the its background, it's the backside. You can see that. Okay, you can see we are using like the PLC is the Mitsubishi. It's Japan. It's the Japan made in Japan. Mitsubishi PLC inverter. You can check. Okay, let's go. Like the video, you can see the two stands of the labels because this one is the two is double head. You can see this type of photos. Maybe you want to shrink the cap and shrink the label, and this type of machine it is very good on there. If you have any idea of this, and because you can shrink the part of the body and shrink the cap. So this one you can production like the CNC center and and the, and our labors different how to produce the machine how to I will show you around. Okay, let's go there. Okay, you can see here. This is our engineer. He he might controlling the software. You can see. All right, let's go, and I will show you our another machine because as you know we have two types of shrink tunnel machine, right? And one is the electrical shrink tunnel machine, and the other one is the steam shrink tunnel machine. So it would depend. It would depends on how what type of products you're using, and we will choose the different type of the shrink tunnel machine as per your product. Also, I will show you because like we have different models. If you have a different speed capacity requirements, and we will choose the different models like the 150 and 250 and the 350, etc. Okay, let's go.
稳定器我给你看一下稳定器。等会儿，你稍等一下。
不用。
没事，你松手，没事，对着你一下。没事。可以。
Okay, as you can see, this model is 250 model. The speed it's around 250 bottles per minute. Okay, let's go and show you around our another like the CNC control center and the others. So it is very important. Okay, let's go. I'll show you. You can see this is our CNC machine. It will need to work some precise spare parts. Okay, we have 3 CNC machines, so our spare part is very more precise on the machine, so you can control very very specifically. Okay, you can see. Right?
一会儿你用 WiFi 会断掉。你再看一下。
Okay, now you can see.
说了啥语？日语都不是。老语发声。
Now you can see our engineer is working for some spare parts. All right. So I want to ask you some question about you and what type of products you're using, and you can leave the message on here, and we will, and our sales will contact you about and give you some solutions. Okay. This is station. Hi.
你固定住了。你看怎么样？对着你的。啊？对，你自己。
往你的左边。
对，你自己过来一点。
Okay. Okay. Now I want to show you our demo video. Let's go and check it. See the performance. See the performance. 还需要别的办法？没有啊，我感觉我都要上完了。Okay, guys, as you can see, it is very stable and more efficient, right? Also, this type, you can work for over 8 hours and the shift work, it is okay. It is very stable.再展示一下。
我要不要我站在你旁边，我不说话？啊？
来，你想要干嘛？好，你来重复一下。Okay, guys, now I'll show you one more time demo. Okay. 可以这样。有弹幕哎。How about okay? How about our machine? You can check. It is very stable, right? Okay, here now I want you to, if you have any question or some else complicated product, you can send us our inquiry, and our sales will reply to you and give you some solution. Okay, thank you for watching our live stream, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.
不说了，等1个小时嘛。
等1个小时吗？1个20分钟。
对呀、够了。
还40分钟。
对吧？
还4分钟。